Chapter 18 and 19. Three stages of hope and accepted and blessed. Stories of Mr. Sate, Mr. Deshmukh encouraging God's profession, variety of Upadhish teaching regarding slander and domination of labor. In the last we have described how rich and Rasma Baba Brahma demonstrated by Baba. In this chapter describes the high for himself blessed by Baba. How Baba encouraged the good thoughts from each the blessings and from slander and domination of labor. Film it is well known fact that Sadhguru looks the first qualification of disciple and gives us suitable instruction without unnecessary annoyance. He then leads to learners who celebrate in this respect some says what Sadhguru teaches and instruction become they think instruction become useless if they are published. They be used into the Sadhguru is like a monsoon cloud he posts moving sadness with nectar. We should enjoy this subject of our part in the without knowledge of the role should apply not only what a Sadhguru teaches something but vision. He gives our dreams as example of visit complete or as in the dream. Like loving mother forcing better wholesome medicine so that children as a sake of health. Sai Baba imparted spiritual instruction to the devotee whose method was always helping the devotees follow instruction as we called. Which are Satgurus like Sai Baba extended into recruitment and influence so and so on. Where is a celebrant this done desires of the returns of fruits. Viveka and Vairagya develop knowledge and force even while sleeping. We develop this voltage when we come in contact with the saints. So some circumstances the Lord focus the situation when it comes to attain. Remove our trouble suffering when we affect this progress to introduce of Guru for Sakaram. So we showed therefore all such circumstances. So now this is the main story. Mr. Satya. There was a gentleman named Silvert and some publicity manager suffered within the corporate was the place by Lord Grey, the governor of Bombay at the time. Satya suffered several loss in the trade over advantage circumstances giving confident to maintain being desolate with thought. Leaving his own good distance, a man does not generally think of God, but the difficulties come place. God from God, or else this meetings and when people have directions for Mr. Satya similar experiences. Friends advised him was whenever many people flock to receive Sai Baba Darshan of Consonant results Satya is maybe upon the reality. Ram to 19th number upon seeing the Baba upon which Satya Baba Darshan of prayers for recently. Satya mind lost influences and became calm and composed. He thought it was upon the mirror's form of words. 40 feet above Satya was a man of strong will. He once started to become Pravana and Satya reading and finished Satya Baba giving the vision that night. It was the shepherd Baba with Guru Jata in his explaining the contents of Mr. was sitting in front of us and he woke up from the dream felt happy. He thought as if content Baba continuously strong and snoring ignorance meant the difference. Place next to Guru Charita. The next is again from the God explanations. The question concerns Sai Baba regarding the meanings of function point to the other. Second reading the sufficient there should be a talk of the student certificate of operation of Guru Baba. Or it is as certification. He should stop reading the Guru Charita rest another etc. He says simple duty please fulfill the rest on the vision and Baba. He should make one more with the work if he studied that video it will become pure and benefited. That all will be placed and rescuing from the boundaries of mountain existence and Baba was present in the incident of the horse champagne Baba legs one day Baba was also mad as well. What Mr. Satya read only few way about reward. I am reading for 40 years no results for 7 days to that's fruitful. While man 7 years goes not let's check even I am waiting for merciful protocol method. No sooner did the total and Baba knew it, his experience of the one even understand the he suppressed evil thoughts and praised the good answer him for answer. Find Baba answering me. Shama get conflicting the expansion of the Baba to turn the message on Baba. The day issue this order and who could disobey Baba order. And but then would the message on to Shama Baba his brother even though they were. He can ask what is your evidence seems to be a must set wide or like to include the second. Place it to restore yourself and Baba. And then present church saying the event in the famous around the Vatman and Hindu. Or the Marathi book named Natha Purport, which commentaries are saying take north on the 11th splendor, the Baker Sanskrit of Bhagavad, as the suggestion of condition of Bhagavad, as well jobs come to know for Deepa or Jana Surya. Now, Bhagavad extensive work of Bharata Ramayana. When the devotee came to Baba, asked certain questions and answered only patient to ask the good lesson reading. Above mentioned Bhagavad. When the devotees went to listen to explain the satisfactory questions, Padans also did the read daily portions of Bhagavad that did not complete daily portions of it, but left unfinished in order to complete. Certain is a boy mistake. When he picked up the boat lying the Shama's casually open, he found a surprise unfinished portion. He thought Baba sent him very kind. Shama was an organic, so he thought unfinished portion. Completed Shama's mission. When the conversation took place. But then I come with a message from Baba. He asked me to attend the direction of Shama. He also asked me to sit with you for a higher presence. After the time the master with you, Shama, I am mountain to take my 15 namaskaras. I introduced direction to Baba. And then I wanted to know something. Let us all chit chat. For sometimes Baba will destroy us and Shama find now sit here on the phone and the details of the world and knowledge of first table, then necessities and values and more layer as common. Also described to you by the organization which functions. Eat pan with the well interest for the famous Shama from the still. He said the leaders of also in there is no one to leaders who can see them, though always sports and leaders is outside. Tourist testing Baba doesn't story, so why Sunderland manufactured pools years and commercial. I want to say that after the professional I know the story of spirituality. I know it personal as a devotee, his news was power and the something about also devotees to so just and give games of position instruction lessons and prevents the opposition passing process it was something and immediately then the other stories of the reading the Baba lessons and Shama to give this and this however for the steering of business master as well as strength functional Baba of devotion and then began to feel the sort of joy hearing them, then Shama began to follow his stories. Miss Radha Krishna Radhabai Deshmukh there was one son Radhabai she was the mother of a congregation during the Baba King contest on the she took Baba Deshmukh with service with her intent to resolve the man she accepted Baba Guru to Baba Deshmukh she would accept nothing as she returned right of that personal and to transform when I accepted the unhappy mantra she stayed in her lodging and continued the resort threatened with the old woman incarnate Baba now faced labor with the started by son. We know the world is very obstacle dependent. You should resolve and not accept the instructor. If anything happens, so people should blame you. The Bible in an instructor cancel and then show the mercy of the same instructor. Seeing the redemption of Baba Santan change the state of my addressing is for our mother. We are subjecting yourself on a torture assessing you, but you are a really my mother and I am also take me pity on it. Although shall I take one story? Listen carefully, will do good. I had a guru, he had a great son and was also I served him for very long, would not react quite in my years. I had a desire much enough to say to serve, stay on this is instruction, but it has one way. First, he had my head shaved, asked to 2 pieces of that smart, then I gave it once. If you say at the neighbor hospital, you should ask for money, that's my decided. I shall repay plainly cannot convince why he needed them. He had a 2 pairs, faith and pensions and sons. I gave this 2 pieces to was pleased. I resented my guru for 12 years. He brought me up. There was no dirty foot of clothing. He was so full of love and incarnate. How can I describe he loved me the most? Guru is a prior guru like him. When I left him, he sent me deep meditation and I fixed place. Night and day gasped within no thought without him. I felt as I had no object to meditate nothing. The guru touch was a salt of his in my mind. Was always fixed on this. My father Dakshina Saburi was on the other case. I served my Guru for a very long time. Waited patiently. Saburi will please approach songs with indulge. Saburi will remove sense and affection Krishna combination and ultimately creating success. Saburi is a mind of which I consider Nishatha to ancestors having said intimately my Guru never expected anything from me. He never neglected me, but protected me all times. Although I lived in the absence of him, but I still never absence of love. He always protected my young glance and thought his noble son but tender years. It was always near from your home mother my guru taught me mantra, Shalai, repeated mantra and everything just around with the guru. Baba always lovely matters woman as an advice and over Papa. Love and clever happen do not try to get mantra or pathas from anyone. Make me the soul of the thoughts actions should not doubt the prompter. Look at me, polity, they will turn into similarly. Sitting in silence, speak truth, the only truth, and also the most profession, successness, having faith. Have faith and confidence in Guru Bilu. Fully the Guru, soul actor, dear blessed is who knows greatness of his Guru and Hara and Brahma incarnate. Instruction of this was the old incarnate, so she bowed to give her fast hearing the story of her attentively and making significant of him. Karan was most agreeable, Safi was more to move to join the thought was able to utter a single word of constant condition. Asking what is the matter with your sin and many Baba described. Just on then the master began to ring from the known worship pathways in Sama. Had finished in the oceans of the worship all the months and some worship and was in the open all the loveless in the earth and chorus to conference from the summer went up on the Hampadan. These are Hampadan from Baba Singh the Baba as the Hampadan gave the Lakshana. Open Hampadan the Puri gave Namaskara and the sacrifice of Baba. Said all right now let me know whether you got about chit chat if you will anything at all not minding. Sounding the drum chorus Hampadan was eager to have talk about karate. Pawan Sanachik here, but he also lost the game forward. Hampadan said everything. Talked over the piece of the quick special on hearing Hampadan. Thought Sai Baba was so innocent that under listening to hear interesting. Over the restoration wondered how we were placed. I like to know everything details, so he told me about the Hampadan and recent story which happened a little while before. But the last one presenting hearing the Baba was placed in the estimate not strong, not that's no Hampadan the players for restless in mind was honest. I felt truly pleased. Wanted to, but the Baba spoke. As for my mother is quite in a ground, but the sense of it is to get the knowledge of something that if you practice something with the trust will be specified. Being co-trust means if you should meditation all the way to play church and other concerned, but the Quran will always meditate on the combination knowledge in constantly. If you cannot just meditate attention which has you going constantly, but on distance and distract them, the Isha will be lost and will be constant. The mother taught us around transference. Parents and the said she never came from but her mere glance never knew. They want anything but remember their mother taught us glance and happen. Source of suffering happens in the two relation between Guru and disciple. When the Baba wanted both the source and power started which we to our Sadguru Maharaj, we who sixteen knows the elders. This is just imagine standing amongst the crowd of Muslim letters announcement, Jagar and Arthi ceremony. Just as Madonna Nati ceremony was finished, soil distributed bunches of came forward as social starting Baba, put sugar and candy Baba hand which Baba then posted on the session. If you take the story hot, you are stating the sweet sugar candy although desires will be fulfilled, will be having hammer on board before an explode. Place will be listening, even if Peter Baba has a story meditate on the session respect. Then he'll be remember meditated, Lord Leather Machine, either at a sign, but then got Prasad Sugar can Baba. Prasad Sugar can request let us drink in the hall continent. Let us strongly approve of Krish Aman. Baba advised regarding her behavior. As the following words of Baba was generally able to keep in the market. Unless there is some relationship function over the go of any places will not result to the way, but receives all available due to he please water toast to go to the hungry so that the hospital if anyone wants any money from you, not in kind and not give. But recently Penance speaks hundreds of revenue slabs if you always sort of 16 million that the world spent of you reminds a standing sling. Look only showing the first before you demolish the wall, different surprise, and then road meeting will be clear. The sense of the pressure, those the barrier keeps visible from the mass unless to destroy the state of its one. Allowing God is a solid governor, also protector. Encourage a good to fruitation. It is interesting note how Sai Baba embraced the good thought one must surrender completely. Came with the love and the non-seeing will consider his transformative. As an of the good thought immediately awakening the sleep, so made all of the somewhat during the intention of the consulted the mind at time. Yeah, but I wanted to try this one honest and I go going to tomorrow set as with the holy number. Then we go to the next morning, got on about the thought and for Rama and go to the offer. Missing duties want to see Baba close after later just to go to order. After the beautiful song as we were on Goranda before the song Guru next week, not a scene. Colonized a group of generals that Rama everyone sleeping trains, so therefore many songs that as a particular song or we go to Baba. There is a constant use around the Baba temple, so about a recognition. Rama during the Rasa science agree and the importance Nama which is purifies bhaktas, protects from all calamities. Variety, for this slander content, Sagubar, no, was not special time against another questions as the much game friendly. Bhakta Baba, constantly as a good words about slander, Shastra, and scripture, and witnesses, and listeners. Science will serve another level also various cleansing or reminder the elements of weapons of mobiles country launcher the human most of the tower. Trying to oblige the person to answer the exercise of also method of sample of the earlier long introduction standard. Attempt to know Sagopa pointed out the facing standard before the national go in the Google conduct the single have revolution in thrown after performing a deep silver. Born at Australian needless to say, but in the shape of quantum concept, this bone is known as the spotless. There is a power which says if there is no hurry, he will be my power, the power is only true, the power thing is not trusting, it's nothing. He will be bringing us to extract himself, but remorse for the the more and is better for him. Baba has more room Baba in the land sea and not written the three cubits and using capable to save his devotee if any devotees must recite before night and complete surrender with experience without him. Recreations he spirit of cycles about and that they should come to come. He should not speak cutting and as he were to be as he should always and kiss him for good action duty. Once and time she'll just about that then he need to be afraid of anything the witness lines first taking that something. Self-relation Baba has to many embarrassments surrendered to him, loves to him, but now for the one his advice solution and Manana to some head remembering God's name to others from last book superface and other reading study at the end of manage and organize guidance. Some he made the sick near submitted professional pull, some he advised to chanting of 1,000 suggestion and other suggestions and gave Bhagat Varas and element instructions, enthusiasts and instructions in person so by using by to drain the heavy during the drains, which is Practicing promises not to look to some extent mantras, Guru Brahma and the dreams. Guru to practice yoga when he sent over the should correctly it is important for Baba Vachinathan. One of his example was to remember